Everyone and their mama is anticipating a crash or some major sell-off. What are you doing about it? Currently I am sitting at around 75 cash and fixed return products. 25 is in the market. I've SLW only been buying on the downturns. What are you guys doing? I'm attempting to jerk off but can't get it up. Remember when Burry said sell? I'm waiting for him to say that again, then loading the boat. Listen here, you dumb fucks. 1. The crash won't happen till half of you are jobless. 2. When it happens, you aren't gonna be saying it's happening, you are gonna be too busy trying to figure out how to keep the lights on. 3. It's called a recession, not a fucking holiday. When the paperboy talks recession, you know what to do. Bull markets climb a wall of worry. We just need one of the banks to break and gov to announce bailout. Printer go burr. Maybe it's reverse psychology. Everybody is so aware of what everybody thinks and will try to be the sheep that escapes the herd mentality that maybe it will be reverse of the reverse of the reverse. But in the end it doesn't even matter. RRRR musical notes. You regards are going to miss the Santa rally, then FOMO the top into a recession. Save this comment. Buying calls as usual. Buying all the way down because I'm regarded. 70k retirement in div stocks and QQQ and SPY and some shitty single stock picks. 50k HYSA. Short-term CDs. Bonds. 20k checking account. 400k home equity. 1.1 M in debt at about the 3rd of April. Lol. 500k net worth booyah. 30 more years till retirement. I'm investing in bankruptcy. Business as usual. Regional banks are at bottoms. I'm looking into buying. Holding a tech-heavy growth portfolio I never look at and come here for the entertainment. Buying my first SPY call, guys, wish me luck. Buying Nvidia calls for 1124434. Buying by DCA but doubling the amount for every 5 lower. Buying a new house, lol. Vanguard ETFs and chill. Not moving any positions, but have cash in hand to catch a bunch of falling knives. I'm not wispying anything if we crash. I'm just going to load up on long-term holds, so I can laugh in everyone's face 10 years from now. Asking the wife's BF what he thinks. That foreign exchange student from American Pie is smoking hot. If you aren't ready to ride a 50 drop, you probably shouldn't be in the market. Turn on your dividend reinvestments to auto buy during the drop. Long terms. You'll be better off. I bought a bunch of snow calls. Bank it. Shorting and making money. Looking for sales on Oktoberfest beers for season's end. Don't fucking worry about the crash. You'll be more worried about how to pay rent and eat than your measly 401k performance. Fear and greed index just went into extreme fear zone. Remember what the OL Warren Buffett used to say. Smash 420 calls mid-December and thank me. Life savings it. IMG Avatar XP 135621329 Fire. Recession will be incoming Q1 2024. Investing in the only true sound currency Pokemon cards. Op means he has $25 invested and $75 in cash. That's after having $10,000 in options. I'm deployed. I'm fucking off for a year saving money. Crash and burn, I say. Listen to Kramer the clown and take the other side. Isn't a sell-off happening now? Learning blacksmithing and first aid for the big sell-off. D. Keep buying puts. Bottom ain't in yet. Looking at suicide pods. Cashing out tomorrow. Anniversary of Black Friday is too close. And Syria. And 4 big banks just had stocks take a plunge. All in on money market for those sweet guaranteed 5 returns while we ride this out. I've printed a ton of ducats while all my MAGA friends have been warning me of the Biden recession. If NVDA doesn't face rip to like 425 tomorrow, I am cooked. I'm buying SPY puts. Bitcoin. I remember working in the home building business in 2003-2004 and looking around and seeing my plumber and my electrician driving Mercedes-Benz. My siding guy bought a racing motorcycle, a Palm Pilot and a Tag Heuer watch, and was driving around while his guys were doing the actual work. I said to myself, this can't last much longer. But it kept going for another year, and you get caught thinking, well, maybe this time is different. After that, all hell broke loose in the housing sector, but not many people were smart enough to time it exactly right and get out. Luckily our company did, but through absolutely no guidance on my part. Gonna move the van I'm living in to the other side of the street. Because it's street cleaning tomorrow. And I don't want to pay another ticket. Cashing out because I'm anticipating a crash or some major sell-off. Leveraged inverse ETFs. Bought the dip today, so hopefully it pays off. IMG emote T52TH524258. When mama says sell, I sell. How will the market crash if you are not 100 in? Looking for a job. Buy calls. Buying 0DTESPX calls. I buy every 2 weeks. I expect I'll be up 4-6 in excess of the rate provided by T-bills per year for the next 30 years. Averaged out. Because I am exposed to market beta and a tilt to SCV. Options. 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 ANNND options, haha. 100 cash slowly selling puts to get back in. I will continue to try to trade on technicals instead of emotions. Put some money into 5.4 12-month CD the other day. Opened a high-yield money market account at 4.2 and moved most of our joint checking funds into there. Will probably take more of my personal checking and put it in there or another account of the same type too. Got some RTX stock the other day. Holding McDonald's and some other long-term speculative shit related to copper and lithium. Holding gunpowder and ready to buy. Well, I've nutted twice already today, so. For the most part, one went the high dividend and high growth rate on the things you really need in recession like energy and food. My FRO stock is up 82 while paying an almost 12 dividend currently. I don't believe it. Unemployment is still low and spending hasn't fallen off a cliff yet. They've been predicting a recession for 2 years now. Bears keep whining, but I don't find them convincing. I haven't sold anything. I'm selling covered calls on SPY. QQQ. Dia. And I'm ready to buy another 10 shares of SPY if the opportunity presents itself. I'm buying every day. Good luck with cash. Whatever the majority does in life, do the opposite and you've got a big chance to make it. Just buying more. Buying. We aren't afraid of this anymore. Do it once loudly crying, do it twice hushed face, third time on my lifetime expressionless. All I know is this going higher forever. DCA ETFs. Got a bit more cash on hand which I wanted to DCA anyway. But I might slow that down until significant drops appear. Bought VTI yesterday. I always do when this sub is panicking. YOLO SPXS weekly calls, 1 strike OTM. I'm waiting for my popcorn delivery.